Hello guys, my name is Gaurav. So welcome to our new video. So the topic for today's discussion is the number system. It will be the first chapter of your class 9 syllabus. Let us begin with our topic. So guys, a number system is a system which interrelates the different type of numbers. So what are the different type of numbers we have? So we have different type of numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, positive number, negative numbers, or rational numbers, irrational number, real number, non-real numbers, etc., etc. The different type of numbers. So guys, our first type of number is integers. So integers are the combination of all the positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay, so what are the positive numbers which have a positive sign in their prefix? Prefix yani, let us take some example like 24. Prefix is this place. If there is no sign, if there is no sign or a positive sign, then this number is a positive number. Or if this prefix contains a negative sign, then this number is a negative number. So the combination of all the type of positive and negative numbers is called an integer. Okay, now let us move on the next topic, that is natural numbers. So natural numbers are those numbers which starts from 1. Natural numbers are those numbers which starts from 1. Okay, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, so the next topic is whole numbers. The whole numbers are those numbers which starts from 0. Okay, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Okay, so guys, we are left with two topics, that is the rational numbers and irrational numbers. So let us continue with them. So guys, let us move on to the next topic, that is the rationals and irrational numbers. So rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0, where q is not equals to 0. Okay, so and here p and q both are integers, that is they can be negative or can be positive or can be positive negative. Okay, so guys, let's move on to the next topic, that is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those numbers which can't be written in the form of p by q, p by q. Okay, where q is not equals to 0 and p and q are both integers, that is they can both be negative, they can both be positive, or they can be positive negative, or vice versa. Okay, so let us take some example for better understanding of the topic. Okay, so guys, यहाँ पर जो p by q है उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि केवल फ्रैक्शनल नंबर जो होते हैं, जो फ्रैक्शंस होते हैं वही केवल रैशनल नंबर्स होते हैं, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है. क्यों? हम देखते हैं, जैसे हम लिखते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ये सब जो नंबर्स हैं ये फ्रैक्शन नहीं दिख रहे, हमें नहीं दिख रहा है, ये p by q फॉर्म में नहीं दिख रहा. क्यों कहाँ है इसमें, क्यों नहीं दिख रहा हमें? लेकिन ना दिखने का मतलब ये नहीं कि q है ही नहीं, ये भी p by q फॉर्म में है और ये भी रैशनल नंबर्स हैं. वो कैसे? एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि जो भी इंडिविजुअल नंबर हम लिखते हैं उसके नीचे 1 हमेशा होता है, 1 हमेशा होता है. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन अस whether we write this 1 or not. Okay, so अगर हमें प्रूव करना है कि ये कोई रैशनल नंबर है या नहीं है तो हम 1 को लिखेंगे, 1 को हम कंसीडर करेंगे. तो इस हिसाब से क्या होगा कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ये सब हमारे रैशनल नंबर्स हो जाएंगे. तो गाइस, the example of the irrational numbers may be something under root 2, famous example of your NCERT book, under root 2, under root 5, under root 3, etc. These numbers cannot be written in the form of p by q. Okay, so that's why they are called irrational numbers. So guys, before wrapping up, I would like to ask you a question, that whether 0 is a rational number or an irrational number. Whether 0 is a rational number or an irrational number. 0. So guys, 0 is a rational number. Why? Because 0 also contains 1 in is dividend. actually can be multiplied or divided with any number and doesn't cause any change to that number. Okay, एक्चुअली 1 से हम किसी नंबर को अगर डिवाइड या मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो उस नंबर को चेंज किए बिना ही डिवाइड या मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई 0 is also a rational number. Okay, so let us take some more examples like -1. What do you think that -1 is a rational number or any rational number? -1 is also a rational number. Okay, so why -1 is also a rational number? Because of -1 by 1. Okay, here q is equals to 1. That is our condition, that is q cannot be 0 is satisfied and p is equals to -1. एंड मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था कि p and q both are integers, so that's why p can be negative or positive, q can also be negative or positive. Okay, so thank you guys.